Okay guys, I'm gonna do a short video on how to replace the fog lights and possibly the park lights on the M56 Infiniti. As you can see, my fan is constantly going. I'm gonna do a video on how to replace the fan relay module at a later date. Okay guys, the easiest way to get to this Infiniti fog light is to remove the wheel cover inside the wheel. As you can see along here, you have some tabs that you just need to pull out. You can pull them out with a screwdriver, but they have a tool for it. So that's the first thing. Then you can just easily, I think it's 3 of them. There's one right here, one up here, one somewhere up there. It's 3 of them, and then you just pull the tab back like that. So you move the tab back like that. Let me adjust my gimbal here. I'm trying to show you how easy it is. And right down there, as you can see, it's the fog light bulb. You turn it counterclockwise, it pop right out. Stick in your new bulb and you're all finished. Easy as that. These are some aftermarket LED bulbs that I purchased off of Amazon for the fog lights. And over here are some super bright LED Sylvania bulbs for the park lights. 6000K, the number on them is 168. So let's get started. Pull this outward. Pull it outward, bulb slip right out. Put the new one in, you hear it click. Pull it outward, bulb slip right out. Outward, away from the yellow. Put a new bulb in, click right in. Just simple as that. This is how the 2 bulbs compare. The one on the left is probably a factory installed bulb. The one on the right is the new LED bulb. As you can see, in comparison, the LED bulb may have a couple of centimeters in height over the factory halogen bulb. But I'll show you the difference between the brightness, or how bright it is, once I install it. Passenger side, it's going to be a little bit harder because on most of these Infinitis, there's a water bottle or some kind of reservoir that's blocking access to the fog light. But I think I came up with a solution for that, an easy solution. Okay guys, you have a couple of 10mm screws to remove. The first one is right here. And then you have another one right here. One 10mm screw there. One 10mm screw there. So let's remove those, and hopefully this plastic piece of push up in our hand can gain access to the fog light bulb. So correction, there's 3 10mm that you need to remove. First one is right here. Second one is right there. Third one possibly is right here. That's gonna be the last one I'm gonna remove. I may be able to gain access without messing with that screw. So let's see what happens. So guys, I had to remove 4 screws. There's one back here by the tire, one up front here, one right here, and one right here. And this plastic is pretty flexible. So once you remove those screws, I just took my thumb, and as you can see, I separated from the under piece, or from the bumper. Just take your thumb, pull it back just enough, it won't break, to gain access up in there to get to your bulb. So let me put my camera down so I can pull this back some out the way so I can gain access. Okay guys, after you remove this plastic out the way right here, like I said, you can easily bend it back enough. And if you look, let me see if I can get my camera up in there. And as you can see, there's the fog light bulb. Just enough room to reach your hand in there, turn it counterclockwise and snatch him out. So that's what I'm gonna do. Be right back. Now that I have it out, there it is right there. It's time to replace it. As you can see, the new LED is super bright compared to the factory light. It's a big difference. Look how different that is. Much brighter. I hope this video was helpful, as my gimbal decided to have a life of its own. Okay, there we go. We're back in focus. Okay, there it is right there. So and you don't have to take this all the way off. Just take out the 3 tabs to remove it out the way, and you're good to go. I'm going to try to get to my park light the same way. I'll let you know how that turned out. If I can create a video on how to replace a park light, I will do the same. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Until the next time, I'm out. Peace.